In this Marble review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Marble. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discount link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Marble. Marble is a link in bio and business dashboard designed specifically for content creators. So this is what you should see once you're first signing into your account, and I'm going to quickly go through this section for the beginners, and then once we reach the main dashboard page, I'll go through all the main features. So once you're first signing in, it should say let's connect socials. Choose your social channels to pull in your content. So once you're actually starting up, it's good because it actually goes ahead and creates your social content and social connections straight off the bat and helps you with it. So you can go ahead and connect your Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, or even Twitch. You can go ahead and connect any of these or multiple of these if you want to, and then go ahead and move on to the next part of the software. On the next part, it should ask you to upload a profile photo as well, so you can go ahead and actually customize your profile and then go to your profile. And once you've clicked go to your profile, you should land on this page, which is pretty much the main dashboard page, or where everything is actually done. So on this page onto the left, we have the Marble logo up there, and then below that we have the profile, notifications, my apps, analytics, power-ups, search, and settings. The Marble logo is actually clickable, which is a really good feature that most softwares have, and if you click on it, it should take you to the main page. In the middle here, pretty much to the middle, we have your account, your profile, and then your edit link gallery. You can also pin posts, like here it says, pin posts from anywhere, funnel traffic to new content on all your platforms. You can also spin this round, which is a pretty cool, intricate feature for this software, where you can update link in bio, update your link in bio on all your socials to help your audience find your best content, and pretty much just go through these, spin it round, and then look through different ones. So you can connect more apps, customize mosaic, add to home screen, and then back to the pin post from anywhere. To the right of that, we then have your analytics. Like the profile setup, all the analytics and data would run through here. You have your verified, app setup, and mark setup, and then you have your profile views, engagements, and your link clicks. So to the right on this analytics section is pretty much just where everything flows through, all your data, once you've actually gone through the software. Then up here on the analytics, to the right of that we have the posts, and if you click on that, you can also go ahead and start the post. And then finally to the right of that you have your links, but we don't have any links right now. So next on this main page, you can go ahead and actually share your profile if you want to by clicking share profile, and it opens up this section where you can go ahead and actually share your profile. So you can actually edit the link preview like that, and you can go ahead and connect your apps, or you can also go ahead and see if your Marble mosaic is ready to share. All you have to do is click share profile, and it should give you a link for you to go ahead and share your profile. So then back to this main section, we can also go ahead and then go through these if you want to, and go ahead and actually update all of these. They would then start going through the profile setup and updating your analytics. We can also go ahead and actually edit the link gallery, which we're going to go on to next. And once you actually want to go onto it, you just click edit link gallery. Once you've clicked on it, it should go to this page where you can actually customize your pinned posts. You have the carousel one, perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and vertically orientated images. You also have cube and video display, great for square pictures, Spotify songs or tweets, and then ideal for YouTube, Twitch, and horizontally orientated content. So you can go ahead and click on the carousel one because that's the one we're going to do right now. Once we've clicked on the carousel editor, you can go ahead and see that it comes up with this right here where it actually starts spinning. You also go ahead and have your edit side on this one where you can actually edit the slide. You can also bin it if you don't want to actually have anything on the clean side logo right there. You can go ahead and actually add your links and titles here by just clicking on it, and it should give you an opener to actually go ahead and actually add a link. You can also select an image that gives images for you to actually go ahead and upload, and then you can also upload an image that opens up the files on your PC for you to go ahead and select and find which one you want. So once you're happy with all of this information being added, you can then go ahead and just save it, and it should be saved in your carousel editor. Next, back at the main dashboard page, you can go ahead and go back to the left hand side, and we're now going to go ahead and move on to the notifications section. So once we click on the notifications, this is where any notifications would appear. As you can see, it says here, you'll find notifications here. Because we don't have any notifications yet, because there's nothing running through this software yet, we don't have any notifications. However, once you've actually set everything up for your account and profile, and set up all your links and everything, this is where the notification should appear. They should just appear here in the normal Marble construct, and that's about it for the notifications section. Below that we have the My Apps section, where you can then go ahead and start connecting all of your apps, like I said at the very beginning. You can go ahead and just connect the few that were at the beginning, or you can go into this section and connect loads more. It has a huge variety that we're going to go through right now. We have the social media apps like Facebook, which you can connect with this button. We have Instagram, which has the same button for all of them. And then we also have Twitter right here. We can also go into the video section that has YouTube, TikTok and Twitch. With the music section it has Spotify, and then with the wallets it has MetaMask. For the web it doesn't have any, but you can go ahead and add your own. So it's pretty cool, this section. You can go ahead and just go into this and go through them pretty much and connect all of your accounts to make sure the software flows better for you. You can connect which ones you want, and you can unconnect which ones you don't want, and then you can go ahead and pick and choose which ones you actually want to run within the software. Back to the left hand side, we now go on to the analytics section, and once you click on that, it should appear the analytics. Now we don't actually see it right now, but once you've actually gone further into the software, you should then start seeing your analytics, and this section is just a section where it pretty much enlarges the analytics we saw all the way back at the main profile page. That's pretty much it for the analytics. It's just where your data actually runs through. Next we have the power-ups, which is the same thing. You can go ahead and actually add power-ups to this software. And then finally we have the search, where you can go ahead and actually search for people who are logged into this software. You can search their name and then their account should come up. So if you have any friends or business partners or even other content creators that you know are on this software, you can go ahead and search them up and find their account. And then all the way back to this section, once you've actually gone ahead and then processed all of the information and all of the analytics and apps you have inputted to the software, it should start running through this main profile dashboard section. You'll have your analytics on the right hand side like we said. You can go ahead and set this up to your customizable options like we did in here, and then your posts and link should start becoming through the software. And there you go, that is it for the Marble software review. Overall I think it's a really great software for content creators to actually go ahead and manage their content and how it actually flows for them. They have loads of apps. They can go ahead and actually run all their apps through this software, which is a feature that I personally like. More features that I like is how simple it is to actually go ahead and get started for professionals and beginners. For beginners it's really easy to run through, and then for professionals there's loads of different features and a variety of apps you can go ahead and input for you to make it work. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I absolutely would. Anyone who's doing content creation or professionally doing content creation would use this software. I do recommend that they should use this because again there's loads of features for you to actually add and implement and make your content creation smoother. Would I use it myself? Yes, I would. If I was a professional content creator, this is what I would use to make my work flow more easily. Overall, I think it's a really great software. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.